This is Melrose Hall in Melrose Avenue in Hoylake.
We've got Northwest Heating electric radiators. We had all-night storage heaters, which were in the building 20 years ago. No matter what we did, the heating went colder and colder. We were toying with the idea of having gas and discovered that that was going to be too expensive. So we decided that if we were going to go with electricity, what difference would that make? I rang up Northwest Heating. They made an appointment to come advise us as to whether our building was suitable for their heating and whether it would work efficiently in our building. The thing that impressed us was it was Chester, which was local, and when they came out we realised that it was a small family firm. These big multi-companies do not give the service that a little family firm can get. David, who came along as the engineer, he measured up and worked out exactly how the building needed to be heating, so we decided that we would go ahead with the work. We found them to be extremely cooperative in timings. On the day that the job was to start, we were introduced to Mark and Steve, and we found them to be very helpful, very considerate in making sure that nobody would be injured in any way by leaving tools around. There was literally no mess. It was done very quickly, and we really felt that they were actually our friends by the end of the installation. The app is extremely reliable. The heating comes on and goes off appropriately, and we are thrilled to bits because we actually get the heating when we want it, and we've had absolutely no complaints. Whenever we've needed anything doing, they've come back straight away. We are always open for anybody to come to look at the equipment we have here. The heating system is extremely efficient. We've been thrilled to bits with it, and we would highly recommend it to any other company. But if you don't believe us, come along and have a look for yourselves.
Request your free information pack now on our website by following the link below, or request your free survey by calling us on 01244 371 445.